Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your keyboard actually supports volume control and that the OS recognizes it. Check for dedicated volume icons or an FN layer. Enable FN lock if available. Once done, open sound settings and verify drivers are installed so key presses change output. If using macros or software, launch it now and assign keys. Do this because software mapping ensures reliable behavior across apps and prevents conflicts with secondary functions. Now map and test the controls. Press the volume keys or open your keyboard utility to create hotkeys. If keys are missing, assign multimedia scan codes or use macro software to send volume up/down/mute commands. Once mapped, press incrementally and watch the OS volume meter to confirm 5–10% changes. This prevents overshooting. Make sure the correct playback device is selected, because changing volume for a different output won't affect your target. Finish by configuring behavior for tap versus hold. Set tap for single-step changes and hold for continuous ramping so you can make quick or precise adjustments. Also link the keys to an on-screen display for visual feedback. That helps when multiple apps control audio. If volume still fails, reassign the keys, reinstall the keyboard or audio drivers, and close apps that intercept media keys. This single troubleshooting step fixes most conflicts and restores normal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.